INSTN is the first European training centre in the nuclear sector certified by the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA. Thanks to CEA's expertise in the nuclear field and to the disruptive technologies of its LIST Institute, the French nuclear industry is developing a platform for the future to teach physics, kinetics and reactor operation. Students can practice individually or in groups at school workshops and training courses combining real and virtual resources. The INSTN offer includes immersive full-scale training. Thanks to multi-physical simulation, it allows dual interactions between the real and the virtual. Students perform unprecedented practical work on this innovative reactor, which is based on an experimental pool-type reactor. They can, for example, handle experimental devices in the very core of the reactor in complete safety in order to understand the effects of reactivity on a reactor in operation and the associated nuclear safety constraints. The results of the actions and all the data are transmitted both to the trainer via simulator and to the various resources of the platform in real time. All courses are dematerialized and accessible remotely. This teaching tool makes it possible to overcome the constraints of a reactor in operation, in particular those of availability, safety and on-site security. EVOC is the world's first multimodal mixed reality platform designed to teach nuclear reactor physics. It demonstrates the dynamism of the French nuclear industry.